May 11, 22. We stay here in Zoo Ave. It's a rescue center for wildlife animals. Today we confiscate some birds, black-faced solitary jilgueros, and we confiscate two a squirrel monkey. It's an endangered species, specific for the Central Pacific and South Pacific in Costa Rica. We confiscate these animals in Tucurique, Jimenez, Cartago, near to the Forest for Children and Justice for Nature Green Life project in Jimenez, Cartago. I would like to say thanks a lot for Justice for Nature for supporting with the logistics for this confiscate. We work with judicial department in Costa Rica, and we work too with SINAC, and we work too with Covirenas, wildlife people rescued. And we stay here we release these animals, special black-faced solitaries. These ones is common, this species to confiscate in these places. We have, right now we confiscate 5 black-faced solitaries, and another birds, common birds confiscate is like sparrows, and we confiscate 6 sparrows. Another empty cages for capture some birds. Yes, we finished this control and protection action with supporting of Justice for Nature. Thanks a lot for supporting this conservation activity, supporting the park rangers actions and the buffer area in Green Life 2 project in Taucito and Tapanti National Park area.